Let's make my smooth chocolate buttercream. I'm adding half a cup of egg whites, and I'm gonna whip this until I start to see it firm up. Once the egg whites have beaten and we have some volume, we're gonna slowly add in the powdered sugar. We're gonna add it in 3 different stages. In total, we've added a pound of powdered sugar. I've let that whip for about 5 to 10 minutes. What we're looking for is that nice soft peak. We're gonna switch out the attachments and go to a paddle. I'm gonna be adding 1 pound of room temperature butter, 1 stick at a time. Whip the mixture until you can no longer see the butter. I've just added the final stick, and what I'm gonna do is scrape down that sides of the bowl. I'm gonna whip this for another 2 minutes, allowing it to fully incorporate and to beat in some air so it'll be nice and white and fluffy. Now that is a silky smooth buttercream. Now that we have the buttercream fully ready, we're gonna make it into a chocolate buttercream using some of the chocolate ganache that we had earlier. What I've done is put it in the microwave and just ever so slightly warmed it up so that it's now liquid again and it's pourable. It's important, remember, before we do anything else, you do not want this warm because this is a very silky buttercream. If you add this into your buttercream and it's too warm, you're gonna melt the butter and then you will not be able to get a good whip. So what we're gonna do is slowly add this in to judge how exactly it's going. That's about a 1/4 cup, and we're gonna turn the mixer on and we're gonna take a look at how it incorporates. At this time, I'm gonna go ahead and scrape down the bowl, and I can tell that that's not quite enough chocolate for what I want. So I'm gonna slowly add a little bit more, but I can see that the temperature of the chocolate ganache is not so warm that it's gonna cause the buttercream to melt. We're gonna go ahead and add another, maybe 1/2 cup at this point because we know we have the right temperature. At this time, I'm gonna add the remainder of the chocolate ganache because I wanna have a deep, rich chocolate buttercream. In total, we've added 10 ounces of ganache. That is going to be the smoothest chocolate buttercream you have ever tasted. Look at that. It's like satin.